Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Spiritual. So, on this channel, I do tarot readings, and very soon I will also be sharing some teaching you guys astrology. So, if you are excited, tell me below in the comments. So, in today's tarot reading, we will be doing how your next 30 days will be, right? So first I thought I will be doing a tarot reading for how your next month will be, but today I thought I will be doing a tarot reading on how your 30 days would be. So if you're watching this video after 6 months, 10 months, it does not matter. It's going to give you results. So in pile number 1 we have umbrella. Pile number 2 we have a elephant. Pile number 3 we have a kitten, cat. So if you guys are wondering how my setup looks like, you can see yeah, here is a Buddha and some random things here and there, and here I do tarot readings. So the link is in the description. Let's get started. Pile number 1, if you chose this umbrella, let's see how your next 30 days will be, the general energies. So we have got 7 of diamonds and 4 of diamonds. So pile number 1, let's see how your next 30 days will be going. So if you chose the umbrella, I think that you guys, a lot of people here are Aquarius. It is very hard for you to fit in the society. You're often misunderstood. You're very different than normal people. You're very different than normal people. Your ideas are different, and people might feel that you are a little weird sometimes, but it's just that you are different. So you may be finding an old friend, and you guys are going to have very great friendships this month. Guys are going to have so many secrets together. You guys will be having a great bond in the next 30 days, and either you're going to have money or relationship, not both together. You may be a person who is very rich with no relationships, or relationship, you will be having good relationships but no money. So this is something I'm seeing. Also, I feel that you guys are great dreamers, but it's very hard for you to go and do something. So if you're wishing something, it will come. There are so many helpful people, helpful friendships along the way, who love you truly. So if you want something, go and get it. You have to get that attitude of action orientation. You have to be action oriented. And so if you have been putting so much efforts on a project, that project will come true this time. In this month, that old project will be completed. So pile number 2, let's see how your next 30 days will be. So we have got 6 of hearts and 2 of swords. So watch out, because I feel that in this month, in the next 30 days, you will be having a betrayal. Maybe while you're shopping online, you have to pay extra charges for a certain thing, big or small, but a betrayal, maybe credit card frauds, or someone can cheat you, your family can someone can cheat you, but there is some sort of betrayal, small or big, I don't know. So I believe you guys are very selfless people. You love to give everyone. So yes, you guys are selfless people. You love to help people in need. You guys love to sacrifice yourself. You guys understand the consciousness. You understand that even a small animal has life, and its life is also very important. You guys may have crushes this month. You guys yes, and maybe a proposal, or yes, so yeah, this month is going to be exciting. It's going to be great, but there can be certain like frauds coming, or people can cheat you in certain way. Crush, you will be having a new crush this month. If you guys are worried over a certain thing for a very very long time, it's a message. It's of no use, it's hurting you. Do not worry, stop worrying. It's not in your control. It's something you cannot even, it's not in your hands. It's at unusual place. So yeah. And if you're asking that where is this thing, if you have lost something, where is this thing, that is at an unusual place, which you can't even think of. I don't know, but this message is very specific, maybe for one person, but this is very specific. You also like to take responsibility of even the unknown. Maybe you do a lot of charity. Maybe you are getting a child from an orphanage. Pile number 3, let's see how the next 30 days will be for you. So we have got this cat. Maybe people find your eyes very dangerous or intimidating. So we have got 9 of clubs and 8 of clubs. So maybe in the past you have invested a lot of time and energy in a certain thing, but that has failed completely. And because of that wound, you're not also trying to take risks further. You are in a very professional field. But let me tell you, that this time, if you're putting your effort or you're investing, it will come true. Don't worry. Whatever you're doing, it's going to come true. It's going to success in your professional, in your career world, in your money field. And you guys are professionals, I can tell. You will work in a company at very high post or something. So you guys can be gamblers. You like to take a lot of chances, you like to risk a lot of things, and you guys are very, very adventurous. You guys are very curious people. If you apply your adventurous spirit to a field of knowledge, you are capable of making wonders and getting so many revenues. And start connecting with your angels. If there are certain things that are disturbing you, ask your angels, ask them for their guidance. Ask your spirit guides for their divine guidance. Speak to God, speak to them. If you have not got something earlier, it does not mean you will not get it now. That was not right for you if you did not got the other thing. This time you will get success, because this is what is meant for you. This is what is your purpose. The other thing was not your purpose. It was never your purpose. So you will get it, whatever you are whatever you want this time. And another message, ask your angels, contact